to Deep English. Today I would like to tell you something about this book. This is my best book. It has a lot of knowledge of grammar. There are many topics of grammar in this book. 36 determiners and 46 prepositions. It has a beautiful logo and this color is yellow and red. There are 4 zones: listening, speaking, reading and writing. There are 225 pages and 50,000 words and 67 topics such as proverbs, verbs, noun, conjunction, adjective, etc. Sir wrote 4 books for different levels. This is our dear Rajendra sir. This is our dear ma'am Deepa Chaudhary. There are many pictures of achievement and celebration. This is our dear sir email and sir contact number. If you want to know more about this book, so you can find Deep English Jaipur on Google Maps, YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. That's all. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, welcome to Deep English. Today I would like to tell you something about my English book. This is my English book. It has a lot of knowledge of grammar. This is a fantastic book of English. There is a beautiful logo of Deep English and its color is red and yellow. There are 4 types of books: school book, competitive book, vocabulary book and spoken book. There are 50,000 plus words. And the book is taught by our dear Rajendra and 67. There are 67 topics. And my best topic is determiner, and there are 36 determiner and 46 preposition are there in this book. On the back side of this book, 3 photos of achievement and 3 photos of celebration, and sir website is www.deepenglish.in, and sir email is deepenglishjaipur@gmail.com, and sir contact is 9982244447. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Deep English. Today I would like to tell you something about this book. This is my English book of Deep English. It has a lot of knowledge of grammar. Many easy grammar topics are there in this book. There are 15,000 new different words in this book. This book has new facts and getting better ideas. It adds more value to our idle. We can learn how to make verbless sentences. I can learn also this book. This is a workful book. There are 67 topics in this book. It has 36 determiners and 46 propositions. This is a workful book. Above this book there is a very beautiful logo. We can do you listening, speaking, reading and writing. This book was done before 2006 by our Sir Mr. Rajendra Chaudhary. Our sir makes new videos and gives it gives us a lot of benefits. Thank you so much for your time. That is all, friends. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, this is my English book. It has a lot of knowledge of grammar. This is a fantastic book. There are many grammar topics in this book. It is my best book of English. 36 determiner and 46 preposition are there in this book. On the cover of this book there is a beautiful logo. Its color is red and yellow. It has 225 pages. We can clear any exam with the help of book. It is taught by Mr. Rajendra Chaudhary sir. Thank you for your time.
Hello, the people of हनुमानगढ़. वेलकम टू डीप इंग्लिश. अगर आपको इंग्लिश में कुछ भी दिक्कत होती है, चाहे सेंटेंस बनाना हो या ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स हो या वोकैबुलरी की मिस्टेक्स हो, ये मेरी 4 किताबें जो मैंने 15 साल के अनुभव से लिखी हैं आपकी बहुत सहायता कर सकती है. चाहे आप स्पोकन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप कॉम्पिटिटिव की तैयारी कर रहे हो, चाहे आप वोकैबुलरी की तैयारी कर रहे हो या फिर आप स्कूल लेवल के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं. स्कूल में जो चीज़ें कवर नहीं हो पाती वो आप मेरे साथ इस खाली टाइम में बैठ करके कर सकते हैं. सो मैं अपनी बुक्स के साथ रेडी हूँ. क्या आप तैयार हैं? थैंक यू सो मच.